In this lecture video, we will see the orthographic projection of this object, which has different inclined planes, or planes that appear in more than one view. And we are using a third-angle projection system. First, let's determine the front view. The front view of this object is from this side, which is the longest side. Now, let's begin the drawing from the front, which is what we see from the arrow's direction, or the area marked in green. Plus, we have two inclined planes which are visible from the direction of the front arrow, this area, and this area. But what are inclined planes in orthographic projection? And how do we put the inclined planes to the multi-view drawing? Inclined surfaces, or inclined planes, are planes that appear in more than one view of the orthographic projection. Take a look at this object. This plane is visible from the right side and the top view. The orthographic projection of the inclined plane from the side view looks like this, which is the same with this plane in the object. The width of the plane is equal to the width of the object. The height of the plane is equal to the object's height, which is this line, not this one, which is not either height or width of the object. And the projection from the top view looks like this. The width of the plane is equal to the width of the object, the length of the plane is equal to the length of the object. Not this one, which is not either the width or length. The length of the inclined plane is resolved to the object's length in the top view, and to the object's height in the side view. This means, we are not using the true length of the plane. The true length of the inclined plane is visible if we project a parallel plane to the inclined surface from this direction, which is not either top or side view. Now, this length is equal with this length and this line's length is equal with this line's true length. Projecting a parallel plane to find the true length is called auxiliary view, but we are working on the multi-view drawing, therefore we will take the resolved dimensions in the top and side view for the inclined plane. So, let's resolve the first plane to the front and top. Only the area marked in green is visible in the front, which means, we take this line in the front view of the inclined plane, not this one. If you are working with dimension, the length of this line is equal with this line plus this line. Again, for the second plane, if we resolve it to the front and side view, only the area marked in green appears in the front view, which means we take this length in the front view, not this one. And it is equal to this length at the back. Now, let's draw the lines of the green marked area to our front view, one by one. Okay, this is how the front view of the object looks like. Before we start drawing the right side view, draw construction lines that extend to the right side and the top. Then let's draw the right side view of the object, which is the thing we see from this arrow's direction, or the area marked in red. We have two inclined planes in the right side view. The first one appears in the front and side view. The right side view of the plane is the area marked in red, or the area having this length. And the second one appears in the top and side view. The side view of the plane is marked in red, having this length, the summation of this line, and this one. Now let's draw the lines of the red marked area, one by one. Once we finish drawing the side view, draw construction lines that extend from the right side to the top. Now let's draw the top view. The things we see from the arrow's direction, or the area marked in blue. Again, we have two inclined planes. The first one appears in the top and side view. The top view of this plane is the area marked in blue. And the second one appears in the top and front view, having the blue marked area in the top. Notice, this line in the top view is this line plus this line. If we see it in the multi-view, this line in the top is this line plus this line. And the length of this line is the summation of this line and this line. In the multi-view drawing, this line in the top is the summation of this line and this one. Let's draw them one by one. Alright, this is how the orthographic projection of this object looks like.